Come and take a look at this enchanting courtyard garden. The brief for this garden was to create a tropical paradise that could be enjoyed from both aspects of this wonderful kitchen diner extension. Now, when it comes to looking for something that's tropical, it's going to be hard to beat this wonderful tree fern. Isn't it fantastic? We've got 2 of them in the garden. As well as that, at this time of year, we've got the cannas and also the palm, and weaving its way through this wonderful persicaria. Underneath the taller planting, we've got the underplanting. And we wanted this to feel like it was spilling out into the garden. So here we've got Aster Beth Chatto and the wonderful Haconocloa macra aureola. And it's a fantastic grass because you get this vibrant yellow colour throughout the season. Now, the gentle sound of water is wonderful in many gardens, and here we've used this corten steel bowl to create a kind of zen kind of feeling within the space. Now, a big feature of this lower part of the garden are these black carbon limestone stepping stones, which we've surrounded with this creeping mind your own business plant. Making the most of a side return in a terraced property is so important. And as you can see here, we've got an area for the seating as well as for the barbecue. And we've also surrounded this with vertical planting in the pots with 3 trees or shrubs. Even in a small space, you can break the space up and create secluded areas, as we have done here. And we've created this slightly raised decked area where you can look back over the garden. So, if you'd like us to create the garden of your dreams, why not get in touch via the website or Instagram?